It's an educational video of Class 3 on the topic Honesty by Patanjali Rishikul School, Prayagraj, Allahabad. Our school lays emphasis on the self-discipline, obedience and respect for all members of society.
Good morning, children. Good to see you once again. Let's discuss about one of the most precious possession of one's life, that is honesty. Honesty is the best policy. You all have heard this proverb by Benjamin Franklin, and it has been told to us from great grandparents to grandparents, from grandparents to parents, from parents to teacher, and from teacher to students. It means trustworthiness, loyalty, faithfulness. But children, it can be explained in a better way. Even in this world of Domino's, Pizza Hut, and McDonald's, you can see that people are still preferring the parathas of the Paratha Gali from Chandni Chowk. It is still mouth watering. Even the research shows that 50% of the Mumbaikars still love to eat pav bhaji instead of the foreign foods which are so much in the market. You all know why this is happening? This is happening because the people behind that are working hard, working honestly, and throughout day and night they are working on it. They are maintaining the taste, flavor of the spices which Indian demands. So they are standing shoulder to shoulder and combating the foreign foods. And as we all know that God only helps those who help themselves. So God only favor those people who are loyal, who are honest, and God always reward those people who are working hard, who are working honestly. Let's see and understand the importance of honesty in this video.
One night, I dreamed a dream. As I was walking along the beach with my Lord, across a dark sky flashed scenes from my life. For each scene, I noticed two sets of footprints in the sand, one belonging to me and one to my Lord. After the last scene of my life flashed before me, I looked back at the footprints in the sand. I noticed that at many times along the path of my life, especially at the very lowest and saddest times, there was only one set of footprints. This really troubled me. So I asked the Lord about it. Lord, you said once I decided to follow you, you'd walk with me all the way. But I noticed that during the saddest and the most troublesome times of my life, there was only one set of footprints. I don't understand why, when I needed you the most, you would leave me. He whispered, "My precious child, I love you and will never leave you. Never, ever during your trials and testings. When you saw only one set of footprints,
So, to be in the good book of God, you have to be loyal. A very true and inspiring statement said by Apple is that success comes to everyone, but stick to those who treat them loyally. So, loyal is royal. What is royal and loyal? It is, trustworthiness, faithfulness. Yes, you have to be very conscious about what you are doing and you have to move on a right path in your life. Maybe you get tired, maybe you get bored, but still then you have to walk on the right path and be sure that you will be the winner in the last. Let's hear one other statement which is very inspiring for all of us by Mahendra Singh Dhoni, who you all know is a famous cricketer. Let's see his views.
To see you. Your fans look upon you as their hero. So what's a message that you want to give to them?
Well, personally, if you ask me, I feel, you have to be honest in life. You have to be honest to yourself. You have to be practical. You have to take risk in life, but at the same time, you have to be calculated. You can't just say, okay, I took a risky option at some point of time. You have to be ready for the kind of talent that's really needed to achieve what you want to achieve. But at the same time, you have to take risk in life. So for me, being honest in life is very important. Hard work that you have to put, irrespective of what your profession is. The hard work, the honesty, respecting the elders, which I feel is the key. If you don't respect the elders, be it your parents or be it anyone, it becomes very difficult to be successful in life.
So, we all have seen that if we will work hard, we will never fail. Character is the crown of life, and honesty is the crown of character. So, children, always be honest and loyal towards your duty. Let's see one of the most inspiring line which will inspire you and which has inspired me also in moving ahead in my life. So let's see and understand.
होती कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती। नन्ही चींटी जब दाना लेकर चलती है, चढ़ती दीवारों पर 100 बार फिसलती है। मन का विश्वास रगों में साहस भरता है। चढ़कर गिरना, गिरकर चढ़ना ना अखरता है। आखिर उसकी मेहनत बेकार नहीं होती। कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती। डुबकियां सिंधु में गोताखोर लगाता है, जा जाकर खाली हाथ लौट कर आता है। मिलते नहीं सहज ही मोती गहरे पानी में, मिलते नहीं सहज ही मोती गहरे पानी में। मुट्ठी उसकी खाली हर बार नहीं होती। कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती। कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती।
Wow, it's such a beautiful message and we all have to follow it. Now we will move on to something very interesting. You know that if we will adopt these rules of life, it can do wonders in our life. Let's see the rules of our life which we all have to follow. Let's see and learn something.
Rules of becoming the best version of yourself. So here are a few of my favorites from my list. There's only one you, okay? Because there's no one like you. And I don't mean the superfluous, superficial parts. I'm talking about the core of you, who you are inside, your values, your beliefs, your flaws. And once you understand who really that person is, you would have taken the first step in finding your unique self. And that is the best version of you. Who am I really? It's really not that hard, in my experience, to be kind, to be compassionate, to be human. You will never know someone else's full story, so don't be quick to judge. There is always someone who will be less fortunate than you. Always. So give back a little bit, because we have one world and it's ours. And we need to heal it, and that starts with us.
At last, I would like to conclude that we all have to strengthen ourselves from within. How can we do this? By understanding our responsibility towards our school, towards our family, and towards our nation. And the day we will understand and the day we will work honestly towards the society, school, and towards the nation, then definitely the face of the nation will change. So, I would like to end up with a message to you all. संस्कारों से बड़ी कोई वसीहत नहीं होती और ईमानदारी से बड़ी कोई विरासत नहीं होती. Thank you all. Have a nice day. Stay at home and stay safe.